talking to Senator Okuniewicz, he says that the AG's office says that the CDC does have the effect of law, and it astounds me to think that because they're not even a government agency, So I'm at odds with the Attorney General's office, former Attorney General's office. Yeah, that's a good point. But we get to all have our own opinion. I'm a lawyer, so I can have a legal opinion that may differ with that. How can the federal government have any, well, the question was raised earlier in terms of this supposedly executive order empowering. The federal government obviously is a creature of the state, just as the city and counties are a creature of the state. So when the CDC, who's not a part of the government, is able to dictate, but here's the issue then, isn't it? Because during the pandemic, call it mass formation, call it hypnosis, during this time, every agency, every government when in our lifetimes, and several of us are pretty old here, when in our lifetimes has anything as coordinated as that gone on? Right. So they can point to whatever they want to for the reason that they followed this, insanity, unconstitutional insanity, and write it and just throw it away. No more church. Why? We can't get within 6 feet. No. How crazy did we get? And those that tried to buck that, obviously, found problems. So they should not have the power, but if we grant them the power, or if the agencies and the powers that be, all the different agencies, all the different organizations follow it, you got to boycott it? I don't. If you want to eat, you go into the grocery store. If they require a mask, don't you put it on? Because I need the food. Hopefully you're getting chickens and growing your own now. But right, we're all working in this direction because of the insanity. So they should not have that power. But what you do, you're going to pass a law that says that no agency can follow CDC instructions. The complexity of something like that is mind-boggling. When you start denoting things like that, there's exceptions, and again, common sense. So I don't know, is that an answer? I hope. It's insane.